Hello, I'm Melissa Amspaugh, Senior Director for Enrollment Operations. The Student Service Center is Lakeland's one-stop that assists students through the initial steps of getting started. Students come to the Student Service Center for admissions, financial aid, registration, and to make counseling and advising appointments. Let's dive deeper to explain exactly what that means. Once our students complete the requirements for admission, we want to ensure that they start on the right path for their educational goals. Our counselors work with students to explore areas of study, choose a major, and investigate transfer options. Whether students seek a degree or certificate, plan to transfer to a four-year institution, including our partners at Lakeland's Holden University Center, our counselors help them understand the requirements and map out the best plan. For our continuing students, we offer advising appointments to help them create an appropriate class schedule for their major that moves them forward by fitting in with the demands of their busy lives. Part of our mission is to seek out and remove obstacles that affect our students and replace those obstacles with solutions. For example, we fully understand that filling out the free application for Federal Student Aid or FAFSA, which determines the amount of financial aid students can receive, can be rather intimidating. So, within the Student Service Center, a financial aid expert works with students one-on-one to complete and submit it electronically. And if any additional forms are required, we walk students through that paperwork with our Verification Plus program. And lastly, we explain in plain English the financial options for paying for college, including our tuition loan payment plan, grants, scholarships, and the work-study program. That way, our students leave the office with a full understanding of the aid they can receive, as well as their responsibility for paying for college. Don't let the fear of how to get started in college hold you back from your dreams. Lakeland Student Service Center has helped thousands of students begin their college career, and we stand ready to help you make the first step towards yours.